The film you're about to see has no characters. If you spare a little of your imagination, it is a film to describe to you the effect of cymatic frequencies on matter.
A couple of things that we just introduced, our Go Time line of products, which we're introducing in modular fashion. And we also have announced that we've got Chrysler now with our Autovin product. And Autovin is a pretty important deal for Autotex. Autotex estimating is slightly different than the competitors. We condition part numbers and labor down to make, model, style, year, engine, and option. So really, the options are very, very important. Very, very important.
It's a big industry, and it gets bigger every day.